Welcome back, and this is how to clean AEG oven pyrolytic. So, first thing is prepare the oven and remove shelves, trays, and accessories. Only the oven cavity should remain empty. And after that, just simply wipe loose dirt and quickly wipe away any large food debris to avoid smoking during cycle. And after that, just simply select the pyrolytic cleaning mode on your AEG oven and choose the intensity as light, normal, or intense, depending on how dirty the oven is. And now just simply go ahead, lock and heat. The oven door locks automatically and the oven heats up to around 500 C, turning grease and food residue into ash. And guys, after the cycle, let the oven cool completely and the door will unlock once it's safe. And after that, you could use a damp cloth to remove the fine ash left behind and wipe the ash away. Now, if you're gonna go for regular cleaning, just make sure the oven is cool and unplugged. And after that, just simply remove the racks and trays and just simply wash them in a warm, soapy water. And of course, wipe the inside with a damp cloth and mild soap as well. But for stubborn stains, you could use a baking soda paste and let it sit, then wipe off. And after that, you could just simply clean the glass with soapy water or vinegar and finish by wiping everything dry before putting the racks back on.